My name is Chad Ish and I'm the master grower at SafriCanna. SafriCanna is a licensed cannabis producer based in South Africa, and we operate under EU-GMP certification. We cater for the premium flower market across the globe, and we take the most pride in our product, and we try and do our best to ensure that our environment is extremely clean and pest-free, and we try and keep the humidity to a point where we don't have any issues throughout our growing operations. So the reason we invested in DryGair is mainly because we had a lot of issues with humidity in the beginning of our operations. Because of the size of our flower rooms and the number of plants we have, there's an excessive amount of moisture that's being evaporated through the pots as well as transpired through the plants. And if you cannot manage the humidity during the evenings, you'll have a lot of issues with mold, bacteria, and things like powdery mildew. We also spent a lot of money and a lot of energy on reducing humidity by creating heat in the room and extracting it using ventilation fans. Since we've been using DryGair, we've seen a major improvements on our product quality, mainly being our yield, due to the fact that we've been able to reduce the number of mold and bacteria that we've seen in the room. So we, at the end of the day, can extract a lot more flower from the rooms than we used to. What we do when we want to use the DryGair is we ensure that the room is as sealed as it can be. We close our different layers of screens. We make sure all the fans are not running. And then we set the dehumidifiers to take over and manage the climate in our rooms. We do tend to use them during the day sometimes as well when it's cloudy and we aren't able to ventilate the room. We find that the DryGair is able to bring the humidity down to the exact level that we need it to be. When we aren't dehumidifying or using the DryGair units, we use the fans to ventilate the room as long as the climate outside permits us. I've worked with many different dehumidifiers in the past, ranging from the top of the line brands to the bottom of the line. We're currently experiencing significant issues with the Chinese brand that we are using at the moment. The problem with them is that they create too much heat and they consume way too much energy. So since we've been using the DryGair units, we've been able to reduce our energy costs by about 50%, because now we don't have to use the heating system as often as we used to, and we're ventilating the room a lot less during the evenings. DryGair has made it really easy for us to install and operate the systems. It was really simple at first. We really just had to plug and play, and the operational side of it is pretty simple. All you have to do is put your set points in and the DryGairs will do the rest.